Have you sold your home or in the process of doing so? Did you know that you could have your funds in as little as 48 hours and spend it on things like deposits for your new home, moving expenses, renovating and repairing your new or existing home, or maybe something else? Don't wait until closing day. Get your money today. Welcome to Tembo Financial, your innovative, non-traditional lender. We have the best solutions for buyers, sellers, realtors, and brokers. With Tembo Financial, you can advance your equity today. Getting an equity advance is quick and easy. What are you waiting for? Are you ready to get started? Contact us today. Visit our website and apply now at tembofinancial.com.